Hey, Truman here with Park Tool. We had a blast collaborating with Seth this past weekend, and we're really excited to get that content out there to you. But Seth is going to post his content first, and then we'll post ours afterwards. So no firm release date yet, but stay tuned for it. In the meantime, here's Rotor Installation 101.
Rotor installation is not a common repair. People might get intimidated by it. All I can say is, don't be intimidated, just watch how easy it is.
We've got a full walkthrough of this process in our repair help playlist, but here's a quick overview. Rotors are fastened by either 6 bolts or a lock ring. For 6-bolt rotors, check to make sure you've got the thread locker on the bolts. If not, just add some into the bolt holes. Now tighten almost all the way down. You're going to stop just before they're tight. You'll notice there's some play in the rotor. Turn the rotor clockwise against the bolts. This reduces any shearing forces. Tighten down to about 4 to 6 Newton meters. Now let's walk through the process on center lock rotors, which are rotors with lock rings. Just know there are 2 different styles of lock rings, one with a tool fitting on the inside and one with a tool fitting on the outside. For both styles, the process is the same. After sliding the rotor on, just tighten the lock ring to the correct spec. Typically around 40 Newton meters or a hefty 44 pounds of effort holding the wrench 8 inches away from the bolt. As for which tool to use, for the internal tool fitting you'll need the FR 5.2. And for the external tool fitting, you'll need either the BBT 9 or a BBT 69.2 or 19.2.
And that's it. Again, there's a lot more detail on our repair help video, so check that out for a full walkthrough. And if you've been intimidated by bike repair, we hope this video helps you realize you can do this stuff. Bikes are fairly simple machines, and when you know how they work, that changes everything.